Ahmedabad is known to have a lot of bird activity. Could be bird ingestion is there and both engines are flamed out. Secondly, this aircraft has come from Delhi and it is flying at an altitude, so the wings become cold, and inside the wings the fuel tanks are there, which causes fuel condensation. Now when there is fuel condensation, there are some water contaminants which get into the fuel. However, when refueling at Ahmedabad, there is always the engineer does a fuel check on the fuel bowser which is refueling the aircraft, and a fuel sample is taken to check any water contaminants. But there could be some water contamination in the wing tanks. Now, it could be that once in 10 million chance that some water contamination which has gone into both engines, which is very, very rare, and both engines are flamed out. In case the engines were running, the third possibility is that since the gear has been found to be down, though the captain must have realized that the gear is down, but after putting the autopilot on, he could have realized that the gear is still down. So he may have given command of gear up. The co-pilot by mistake has taken the flaps up. At that low height, if the flaps are taken up, the aircraft will sink and stall, and it's a no retrievable situation. And we see the aircraft is coming down at about 800 to 1000 feet per minute and had impacted with a nose slightly up. It was carrying a lot of fuel, so where it impacted, the fuselage must have broken, and where the fuselage is broken when it impacted the building, the passenger sitting next to the window, he has dropped off the aircraft.